Hello, welcome to indoor fun on MSC Virtuosa. So it's good rainy day activities in the sports complex. So we've got starting off with bowling. Bowling is fantastic fun. You can block out a bowling alley for an hour or 30 minutes. There are two lanes, but it seemed to be only one was using at a time during the COVID times. The cost of bowling for 1 hour is £55, 30 minutes is £30, and shoe rental is £2. However, as long as you wear flat shoes, you do not need to buy the shoes. You can decide to put the side rails up per player, very handy for a sea day if it's a bit rough, or when you have little ones. Bowling is very popular, so I would recommend booking it on the first day when we got on board. The reception desk is just right by the bowling. Next up was the cinema. It was £10 per adult and £8 per child. There was a selection of movies to choose from, including Zombie, Cowboys and Carnival. I would totally recommend the Cowboy if you have children. The other two are very scary. The minimum height for the cinema was 110 centimetres. Next door was the VR room, which cost £12 per session. There were various animations to choose from. Again, the minimum height for the VR room was 90 centimetres. Within the same area was the F1 simulator. It costs £12 for around 6 to 7 minutes. You do have to be 1.4 metres minimum to be able to get into the car. Round the corner from the bowling and the F1 simulator was an arcade games area. Each games cost about £2 or £1, £1.50. You receive tickets for most of the machines, which you can collect and use in this machine to gain some goodies. My top tip is that these two machines do not take the Fun Pass. We only discovered this when payment was taken out of our card. Now here's from our money saving advice. Definitely buy a Fun Pass if you're interested in doing the bowling, F1 simulator and even the arcade games. If you buy the Fun Pass before the cruise, you get a lot more credit than if you bought it when you're on the ship. So for example, we paid £72 and we got £140 credit. As you can see, if you bought the Fun Pass on board, you do not get as much credit. Here is a summary of the height restrictions for each of the activities on board. Another money-saving tip is at the Starship Club. Just by the robot, there is an interactive screen where the kids can play games on. The kids are great fun. You can even upload your photo and create a postcard. This is a completely free activity. This was the personalised postcard that you can create. Not many people knew about this, and you can download them onto your phone. Another indoor activity is using the sports complex. It wasn't used during the COVID timed cruises, but I'm sure you have lots of fun in here with different sports activities. I hope you enjoyed my review of MSC Virtuosa indoor activities. Please like and subscribe and look out for some more videos in the future. Bye bye.